Right, so you publish your listing on VRBO, it all went fine, but now you don't know how to see your property or how to get its URL on VRBO. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. It's a bit complicated. I don't know why VRB doesn't make it so obvious for people to see their listing on VRBO, but let me just show you how you can do that. Do this from a computer. I don't know how to do it from VRBO phone app, and I hate VRBO phone app. Once you're logged into VRBO from your computer, you will see your name on the top right. Click on your name and then choose Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your listing dashboard. Once you are here, click on Property in the left menu and then click on Property Details. And on this page, you will see this property ID. This number is actually clickable, so you need to click on this number, which is your property ID, and that will open up the URL of your listing. You can also keep note of this property ID, and at any point, if you want to find your VRBO listing, you just need to type vrbo.com/your property number, and that will take you to your listing again. There's one more thing. On this page, you will see this Expedia distribution link. Because Expedia owns VRBO, every property you list on VRBO gets automatically published on Expedia as well. And this link will show you how your property appears on Expedia. And I can just copy this URL, and that is my Expedia URL for the listing. If you have just recently published your listing, it takes about a week for that listing to start appearing on Expedia. So it's possible if you recently published it, and when you click on this link, you won't see anything. It will just lead you to a blank page. But if it has been about a week when you first published your listing, this link should take you to your Expedia. And the top one, the property ID link, will take you to your VRBO listing URL. And that is how you can preview your property. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.